This is day 4 of improving my thinking while speaking using what? Using Anna's Anna discloses. Yeah, Anna discloses. Using Anna discloses. So the word for today would be moisturizer. Moisturizer is great because it helps moisturize our skin. Skin is one of our assets. Assets are a lot of things. Things like our teeth, our looks, our status. Status can be gained from different stuff like mm, your skill, your whatever you're known for. I'm not sure if I did it right, but that's it for today.